What is up guys, Dan at the site. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a payment link in Stripe. So first, you need to head over to your Stripe's website and then you just simply need to log in with your confidential. After that, when you have logged in and you're redirected to the home page, from here on the left side, you will see the payment link section. But if you can't see it, you will see it in the settings. So just click on the settings button and then you can just search for payment links. And I currently have it here ready. So I'll just simply click on it here to directly open my payment links. So from this payment link here on the right side at the top, you will see the button to create new. Simply click on this new to create a new payment link. So here, as you can see, these are the details that you want to enter to create your new payment link. The first one is to add a new product. So you can just simply find or add a new test product. After that, here, as you can see, I have already added an ebook. And from here, you can add another product and you can also add a recommended products if you want to. After that, you have the option to collect tax automatically. Customers require customers to provide a phone number, limit the phone number of payments, and after that, when you are done entering all the details, simply click on create link. And after that, your new payment link will be created. So this is how you can create a new payment link in Stripe. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.